Hi everyone, my name is Vinay Kumar and I am going to give a review on Wallet Warmers, who was owned by Johnny Rose, Philip Johnson and Dan Khan. Now let us see what is Wallet Warmers, what are the benefits of Wallet Warmers and what you get when you purchase today, what training is included in this course, overview of Wallet Warmers dashboard and my high quality products as exclusive bonuses. What is Wallet Warmers all about? Wallet Warmers gives you plenty of easy and fun ways to make money from 4 result-driven marketers that use their own methods personally. You will get 11 custom proven money making products for the price of 1. Free Google traffic, quick cash generators, software for automating affiliate commissions, free social media traffic, all inclusive passive income systems, list building, free YouTube traffic, affiliate marketing, passive profits without selling. The best gift you can give yourself. The best gift any marketer can get is results, more traffic, a bigger list, higher commissions, increased sales, multiple new income streams. To make that happen, created a different kind of bundle. Instead of choosing products we think you might like, we asked our customers to pick their favorites from all of our products. Based on their actual results, to give you the best collection of custom proven money making tools of 2020. What are the benefits of Wallet Warmers? Over 92% discount on proven money making methods. Customer selected products based on pure results. 100% beginner friendly across the board. Multiple income streams waiting inside. Both quick cash and all inclusive models. 11 ways to profit in many different niches. The exclusive Wallet Warmers collections. There are total 11 softwares you will get. The first one is Blabbermouth Bucks. This is about how to make money fast while talking on the phone from home. Second one, the Kingdom Builder, the blueprint to grow your online income for job replacing passive income. Third one is Coronavirus Cash Flow. 10 fast and easy places to get paid online even while isolating at home. Fourth one, Superstar Cash Rain. How to legally steal viral YouTube videos and turn them into 100% passive income in as little as 12 minutes. And fifth one, you will get Gram Grants. How to harness free traffic from Instagram and Instagram stories to make thousands a month. And next one, Instant Sale Berserker. The copy paste breakthrough to leads and profits that made complete beginner sales on their very first day. Passive. Next one is passive profile profits. How to post a free profile once on one social platform, make ongoing passive profits. Next one is high ticket hero. The copy paste breakthrough to leads and profits that made complete beginner sales on their very first day. And next one is Grand Champion. This is all about the new way to profit and sell anything online with value customers love. Next one is Gold Rush. How to harness the organic firepower of Snapchat to make thousands of dollars a month, even if you are brand new. Next one is 4-second traffic. How to rank a Google page, one for laser targeted free traffic with just 10 minutes of work. And let us see overview of dashboard. This is the Wallet Warmers dashboard. In this these are the 11 softwares: Grand Champion, Blabber, Mouthbugs, Passive Profit Profiles, Gram Grants, gold rush, coronavirus cash flow, and the kingdom builder, for second traffic, instant sales, berserker, high ticket, hero, and super cash rain. Just you need to click here to log in. Just you will register, you will sign up and log in into the software. This is the example I am showing to you how you will, this is how you can sign up, and after signing up directly you will log in here with your credentials. Every software you should do same as Grand Champion login, how I have showed you. This is all about the dashboard of Wallet Warmers. Now let us, next one, you will get all 11 products for the price of just one. Whatever your income goes, Wallet Warmers can help get you there faster. These 11 proven methods are working right now. They are getting us and our customers great results. They can work for you too, and on this page you get them all for an incredible deal. Now bonuses. If you purchase through my link, you will get high quality products as bonuses. So grab it today before the bonus page expires. First bonus, you will get my alternative to ClickFunnels worth of $197. Next one, you will get how to build your list using Bing. Third bonus, you will get access your 2500 email swipes. Fourth one, you will get 0 to $100 in 24 hours. Fifth bonus, you will get all the vendor bonuses. Grab the vendor bonuses inside the members area. Now if you purchase through my link, you will get these high quality products as bonuses. So grab it today before the bonus page expires. Now however, in order to meet my minimum criteria of recommending it to you, it needs to meet a minimum score of at least 90%. Based on my time with the product and my overall impression, the rating I give this product is 95 by 100. Now it's your turn. Click the link in the description below. Thank you for watching my review. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and press bell icon for further notification. Have a great day. Thank you.